Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can translate your ChatGPT into a different language. First, you go to Chrome Web Store and then get Google Translate and then add to Chrome. After you add to Chrome, it's going to ask you add extension and you're going to click on add extension. And after you're done, you're going to see this and then you're going to click here and it will ask you to translate. However, we're not going to do this. We're going to go here and then we're going to say, tell me 3 jokes. So I'm just making these up. So you have to type it in English first, or if you don't want to type in English, you can go to Google Translate and translate it and then translate that into like translation. But however, I have another method to do that. So you go click here, you click Google Translate, and then it's gonna ask you this, and you're gonna click on translate this page, and let's translate it to Greek, and it's gonna automatically translate, and it's also gonna translate your saying too. So let's say, tell me 3 jokes. So it automatically translate your thing. And that's how it works. However, sometimes it automatically crashes, so you gotta be careful. So let me try again to show you guys. ChatGPT, GPT, my bad. Um, Try ChatGPT. So tell me a story. And then after you do that, you're gonna click on this place on the right, extensions, and then you're gonna click on Google Translate. And after you press on Google Translate, you're gonna click on translate this page when it's done. But let's try it. So it automatically translate here. So yeah, you need to know how to speak English. So that's it. Just say like, sell me a story. These are basic and it will automatically translate and you can start making money. So you can use Google Translate. That's the Korean. It automatically translates, guys. That's the Mongolian, Espanol, Albanian, Afrikaans, and Danish. Like it automatically translates, guys. And basically, this was it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.